Guys, welcome to Stark Industries. In this tutorial, we are going to see and learn about basic to advanced level of Python and how to install Python in your machine. Okay, first of all, we install Python in our machine. Open any browsers like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox, anything. So I am opening Microsoft Edge in my machine and in your browser, search for python.org, click enter. It will show you the Python official website. Here, welcome to python.org. Click and enter into it. This is the Python official website. For every programming language, there is an official website. Like if I click Java, I can use click Java, it gives Java Oracle. It is the Java's official website. So for every language, there is an official website. In this official website, what are available is in this official website for every programming language having the documentation. Here we are seeing DOCS. In this DOCS has all the basics about the programming language we have chosen. So right, this is also the versions of Python, pre-released Python. Okay, let's let's see how to download Python in your machine. So click downloads, download the Python pre-installed or pre-released version. Why we want to install pre-released version? Because if you are installing the latest version, Python is officially releasing the latest version for fixing the bugs. If you are installed the latest version, it has some bugs in this. So do not install the latest version. Install the pre-released version. Okay. Right. Install 3.14 bug fixes. Where you see bug fix. It is the version that have fixed all the bugs. Okay, right. I have already installed Python. Uh, if you want to check whether the Python is installed, after installing, if you want to check whether the Python is installed in your machine or not, how to make that? Open command prompt, type cmd. In this, type the command python double hyphen version and click enter. It will show you the Python and your installed version, right? You can also run the Python in your command prompt also. Just type Python and click enter. It will automatically enable the Python. So I am just checking if it is working. Yes, yeah. Clicking enter. Yeah, it is working. So first of all, um, this is the step how to install Python. Then click Windows button, type Python. Here it shows Python 3.13. I am installed Python 3.13. If you are installed Python 3.14, here it is show Python 3.14. So this is the Python interactive mode. Basically, Python has two modes, interactive mode and strict mode. I will tell you what is the difference between an interactive mode and strict mode later. So just print stop and dash this. I click enter. It will print the statement. You You can also install the Python in Microsoft Store also. Just to open Microsoft Store and in this search Python, click enter. Here we have Python 3.12, 3.13 and also the many versions. So okay, done. So let's see. Let's start code in Python. So How to code in Python? After installing Python, open command prompt and type Python double underscore version. It will show you the exact version you are download. Okay, then close the tab and click Windows button and search for IDLE. It will show you the OpenCV page. This is called Python IDLE. So I am maximizing this page. So Python actually has us two modes, interactive mode and script mode. What is interactive mode and what is script mode? Yeah, in an interactive mode, we don't want to save the file. So, actually, before typing a line, that is runs at a time. Python actually uses interpreter, where Java and C++ uses compiler. What is the difference between an interpreter and compiler is a compiler compiles the whole code at a time and runs at a time. Whereas an interpreter runs the code line by line. Okay, I will show how it is. If I type a is equal to 10, when I click enter, the value of 10 is stored inside the variable a, and I am clicking b is equal to 4, and when I click enter, the value of 4 is stored inside a variable b. So then I print a. I am using a print statement. I am printing the value inside the variable a. When I clicking enter, it will show 10. Okay, this is interactive mode. And how we will work in script mode? Uh, control plus M. It will opens you a blank untitled page. Otherwise, here we have file. Click new file. It will also generate the untitled page. Yes, what is this? This is a script mode. In script mode, we want to save the file, then only we can run. So actually, I am printing the same program I have done in the code. Putting the value inside a variable a. So I am going to run this here run module. It will ask you to save the file. Click OK and save the file. I am going to save the file inside that. I am also already saved the Python file called basics. So I am saving this as demo. If you want .py, you can print. Otherwise, it will save as type as Python file. So it will automatically save the file as .py. What is the .py means? All the Python files are saved as with the extension .py. Right? Okay. I am saving this file. Enter. It will show the same output what I have done in the interactive. So okay. In this Python series, I am going to show what is print statement and how to what are the variables, data types, and how to store the values inside the data types and basic mathematical operations. Okay, first of all, what is variables? Yeah, variables are a user-defined names that think like of that we have two boxes like we have cardboard boxes, two boxes. We have storing many toys, dresses, many of the things, things like mobile phones, shoes, like etc. You can store your things in that card box. So think like that card box is a variable. Inside we have storing the things is called as values. So in program, a variable is used to store a particular value. Why we want to store a value? As this question is asked by many people that we want to. I can print also. I can sum of two numbers. 10 plus 4. Okay, this is one type of sum of two numbers. When I print 10 plus 4, it also prints the value as 14. Yeah, 14. This is one method. So we can add two numbers using print statement directly. Then why we want to use variables? This is the actual exact question. If you a is equal to 10, I am printing a is equal b is equal to 4. Then I am creating another variable called sum, and this sum I am going to do some addition operations like a plus b, a plus b. What is happening here? I am storing a value of 10 inside a variable a and storing a value of 4 inside a variable b and storing a value of sum of a plus b inside the variable sum. So when I am print sum, when I am printing the sum, it will shows you the exact code what I have directly used in the print statement. So we can also do the sum of two numbers in this line also. Then why can't we use the why can't we write the program without a variable? So what is the use of variable? So think like of that. Uh, we are getting the value from the users. Like I will detailedly explain in this next video why the variables is mostly used because it is a general. In our channel, we are teaching about the Python who has zero programming language knowledge also. So if you have already programming knowledge, this is normally can get, but a person who has zero programming knowledge can do not understand why we use variables and what is the use of variables. Like, okay, why we use variables? Yeah, variables is used to store values. So why we want to store values? So think like the that of a use case, like you want to get the value from the users like at the runtime. Okay, uh, uh, why we want variables? Like take a scenario of you are a owner of the shop, you are getting a charger for selling to customers, you are getting from another shop. The another shop you are buying the charger for 100 rupees for that first day of the month. You are selling to the customers the charger for 110 rupees. After 2 weeks of that month, the charger rate was increased by 105 where you are getting the charger. If the your buying price increases, the selling price also want to increase, then only you see some profit, right? Okay, uh, this is the scenario. So the value changes when the user gives the value, right? If I want to a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 4, okay, this is the fixed value we have given. So in this fixed value, like that, where I know the question is uh, sum the 10 and 4. The question is like that, sum the 10 and 4. We don't want any variables, so we are directly sum that, okay, 10 plus 4. If I run this, I have run this, it will actually print the same output. So this is the question. So sum the 10 and 4. Here we don't want to use any variables. So why, in which case we want to use the variables? If the question is like sum of two numbers. Okay, the question is like the sum of two numbers. Uh, Deeply understanding that the sum of any two numbers, the numbers can be varied when the runtime. Like I am giving a is equal to 10, right? B is equal to 4, right? So this value of a and value of b can be changed anytime at the changed at the runtime. So in these cases, we want to use a variable so that stores any values. A variable is used to store any values, right? So variables is normally used in these cases. Okay. So a is equal to 10, b is equal to 4. So I am storing these two some values, or we can also write that into a print statement a plus b. This is also correct. When the value of a and b changes, the print a plus b, here the value of a is changes and the value of b is changes and summing these two. Okay, this is the scenario what you need to use a variable. Okay, right. Okay, let's see about the some of the arithmetic operators that we are used in the Python. So arithmetic operators are add, sub, multiplication, division, and mod. These are some arithmetic operators that is used in Python. So normally it is equal to mathematics, simpler. I am giving and storing a value of 10 inside a variable a and storing a value of 14 inside a variable b, and I am storing the sum value inside the value variable of sum. So normally addition operator is plus, same like that, and subtraction is equal to a minus b. It is same like the max. Multiplication is equal to a star of b. It is same. It also same like that. In max we are using that cross symbol. Here we are using the star symbol to for multiplication, and divide is equal to a divided by b, and module is equal to a stage of b. So okay, here we see divide and module. What is the difference between divide and module? If you are dividing two numbers, the remainder, if you want to the if you want the remainder, I am dividing the 14 divided by 2, the remainder is 0. If you want the remainder, use module. If you want the divider, the quotient, if you want the quotient, you use this symbol divide. So in which cases we are using this module? Like you want to find the number is even or odd. Like if you uh, how to find that even number? Like divide the number into divided by 2, the remainder is equal to 0, the number is even, or otherwise it is odd. And right, so like that, this is the arithmetic operators that are used in Python. Okay, in next series I am going to teach how to get a input from the user, and also how to use print statements in various ways, and how to use a new line, and like this escape sequences concepts, and what is commands. Commands is a simple concept that you are writing a line, before you put a hash symbol, the line is command. So commands are command statement that are not executable in a Python. So in this program, the add, sub, multiplication are not executed by the Python. It is for human understandable. We are writing this for a human understandable one, right? Okay, this is the arithmetic operators in Python, and thank you for watching. We are continue the
how to get user input from users and print statements in Python. Okay, thank you.